Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
Okay, so let's go right on this intersection. So I'm going to signal right and right shoulder check, no cyclists, no pedestrians, and now we are turning right. Okay, so there's a pedestrian on the road, so I'm just going to signal shoulder check to maintain my distance from this person. I'm also slowing down a little bit, and when you're slowing down, you always want to look in your rear view mirror as well. So that's what your examiner is looking for in the test, right? So they want to see, like, you see a hazard on the road, what are you doing, right? So are you taking any actions, right? How are you minimizing the risk? That's what your examiner want to see in your driving test. So always make sure going around cyclists, parked cars, or if there's pedestrian, you slow down. Depends on the situation. Definitely maintain a safe distance. So this stop sign is only for us. It's a one-way stop sign. So we have done a complete stop sign. I'm slowly rolling forward, checking on both sides. Looks clear, and now we are good to go. On the right hand side, we see another yellow sign indicating stop sign is coming up. Going around this parked car, I'm doing a shoulder check, moving over, and we will be going straight from the stop sign. Right shoulder check, pull back to my side. Now this stop sign, it's a all-way stop sign, so that means all three sides have a stop sign here. We are the only one on this intersection, no pedestrian, no other vehicles, so that means we are good to go. Okay, this intersection we are turning left, so I have my left signal on. I'm staying closer to the yellow line here, which is faded, hard to see. So basically closer to the center line, complete stop, no pedestrian. Now I'm moving forward a little bit, checking traffic, looks empty, and then I complete my left-hand turn. On next intersection, we have traffic lights coming up, and we will be turning left at the traffic lights. So I'm just slowing down a little bit because this guy just came out from the parking lot, maintaining distance from this person. We are turning left, so I have my left signal on. I'm doing shoulder check, and light is green, so that means I have to go in the intersection. There is oncoming traffic. Car has to be straight, wheel has to be straight. No more oncoming traffic, no pedestrian crossing, so that means we can complete our turn. Speed limit sign on the right hand side, maximum 50 kilometers.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.